Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell to get the latest update. This video is about interval as subset. Let's start today's video. There are four types of intervals. First is closed interval. The limit of the element is included. It means if, let's suppose, x is element of real number such that x is greater than equal to a and x is less than equal to b. It means x includes a and b both. For example, if x is a real number and x is less than equal to 1 and greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 5, then if x is included 1, it means we will write x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 also, because it is equal to 5. It means x includes 5 also. In this case, we can say this is a closed interval because here a and 5 is a and b. This is a closed interval. We can write like this. It's including the limit. Limit is 1 and 5 and it is included that 1 and 5. In the closed interval, this limit will include. Let's go to next question. Next interval, it's open interval. Open interval is just opposite of closed interval. In the closed interval, we were including the limits, but in closed interval, we will not include the limits and we will represent this like open bracket. We will not include a and b in the elements. For example, x is element of R such that x is greater than a and x is less than b. We are not including a and b in the limit. For example, x is element of R such that x is greater than 1 and less than 5. Then we will write x is equal to 2, 3, 4. We will not include 1 and 5 because this is open interval and this is not equal to 1. This is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means 2, 3 and 4 only, because this is also less than 5, not equal to 5. This is called open interval and we will represent this open interval by both side open bracket. Let's see third interval. Third interval is right half open interval. Right half, it means, for example, if the limit is a and b, so right side is this side, so this is open. Right half open interval, it means right side is open and left side will be closed. So in the closed interval, both side be closed and both limit will be included, but here only one side is closed, so only a will be included in the limit. For example, x is the element of R and such that x is greater than equal to a. We will include a because this side is closed, and less than b. We will not include b because this is open. Now For example, x is element of R such that x is greater than equal to 1 and less than 5. Then we will write this is equal to, so we will include 1, 2, 3 and 4, because this is not equal to, this is only less than 5. So less than 5 is 4. We can write this 1 and 5, but this is closed and this is open because 5 is not included in the limit. X is not equal to 5, but x is equal to 1. So that's why this is closed. So this is right half open interval. Right side will be open and this right limit will be not included with the elements. Let's see next interval. Fourth interval is left half open interval. It means left side will be open. Let's see A and B. Left side is A, so this will be open and right side will be closed. So we will write x is element of R such that x is greater than A. We will not do equal to sign because it is open. We will not include this limit in the elements. And less than equal to B. We will include B in the elements because this is closed from right side. Now we will see the example. X is element of R such that x is greater than 1 but not equal to, because this is open from left side. So left side is 1, so it is open, and less than equal to 5. Now we will write this as 1, 5. Here we can see this is not equal to 1. So this is open, and here we can see this is open, this is closed because this is equal to 5. So this is closed. When the limit is included with the element, then it is closed. We can write this x is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 because x is equal to less than equal to 5. It is including 5. So here all the interval is completed. If you like the video, press the like button. If you get the help from this video, share with your friends. Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell to get the update of my latest video. Thank you. Have a nice day.